You good? All right, so now we're gonna start doing posterior kinetic line. As you guys remember, we talked about this last class. You guys remember which muscle is involved in the posterior, superficial posterior kinetic line? You guys remember? Posterior superficial kinetic line. So posterior, it's in the back.
Oh, yeah, yeah. You mean all the way down? It goes
Yeah,
down.
exactly. And of course, it's all the way up and end at your skull. So guess what? If we constantly sitting and slouch forward, what's happened with this line? The line has become pulled. It's stretch, not the stretch. What's the lengthening? So lengthening, over lengthening, exactly. So we have front line and posterior line. What's happening with our front line? It's pulling, and the back line is weak. So what people do, they try to stretch the weak stuff and create more weakness, more problem in the back. This line have to be pulled in. That's it. So small thing, I'm applied to that little heel. And I use usually this bone right here on my index finger, or even index finger. You can use the thumb. So you see right in here, from heel to the fifth metatarsal, and from the first metatarsal, right in here. You feel that bony part right here. That's where you're going. So this is my speed. Look at this. Pockets up here. And what I'm doing here, my left fingers on outside, lateral, and my medial. And what I'm doing up here, I'm apply a little pressure. And I'm kind of move up and down. Do I want to feel? Yes, I feel some action right under my fingers. And now I'm release that, hold this leg, hold leg. And now I'm slowly go away, and she's lower that leg down. So go ahead, slowly lower down. See, I can do straight and release. Okay, pull up again. Yeah, you see how it's like jump right there. And lower down. And I can feel a lot of action up there. Space, I put it together, my fingers, this one, the two thumb, it's kind of glide me. I'm not pushing on the spinal process. I'm at this aluminum groove, and it's just, so she take a big inhale, that's the key, hold breath. Take a big inhale, and when she's exhale, I'm start gliding this down. Her hand's supposed to be on the side. On the side. Can you put your hands on the side?
On the side, what does it mean? Where?
On the side, that's mean just like that.
Oh, okay.
So, and you see her head position, she turned this way, and next one we have to do the other way. But that's okay, it's like I said, in shortage of video and time, and that's it. She's only breathing. So you stop up here, you grab that sacrum, and you kind of jostling, decompress, whatever. Split these two fingers and move that fascia. Here we go. You can do this like this. Or, remember that one? You put this elbow against your hip, apply these two fingers like this. Like this, you see the spine. And what I'm doing here, I'm just drag that fascia. You see? This is beautiful. How's it feel? This is better?
Yeah, that's good.
This is better, but I really... We have that little kind of bench stuff. The positioning of the leg. It's important positioning of the leg. It's not get close, so go ahead, little kind of slide forward. And I want your two legs get a little bit more forward. Here we go, just like that. So you see the distance, legs together. And what I'm doing here, yeah, the arms on the side of the body, just like this. What we're doing here, we do a little bit observation and assessment in the beginning. I want to see how David do all this flexion of the neck, mid spine, lower back, and if any pain presence. And also, what I'm seeing here, when I'm looking down, I see the position of the spine. I see that bulky muscle. What I see the right side is a little bit kind of pops up, and this one is more flatter. So Rex and the special is going to do this to you. Release that whole back line. And see what I'm going? I'm going more and more and more deeper. And when I see that bulky stuff, that mountain, I go a little bit more. Here, I can do single side. You see, no, I keep there. I can do single side. You see, I'm supported with my arm, kind of hips. He's not coming up. And I'm going down this way, down with my fist, opposite side. And you see, what I'm seeing up here, it's shifted right there. So I want to release that. It's going to be more powerful. Look at that. Here we go. I can even move his scapula. Come up here. And when I'm already down, I change it. You see how easy it's transmit that motion and go all the way down. You see I use my body weight and down. From here, we can work on that spine too. He stay up there, you see. I ask him to spread your legs a little bit, step to the side a little bit more. One arm, let's say if I'm doing the right side right now, right? So we're doing right side. Probably expensive one. This guy can remember 30 pages of text, word to word. So he told the stories in like word to word. Can you believe this? How good memory is here. You don't drink, you don't smoke, don't live life. All right, so just joking. He's kind of you see, I'm holding. And one more key, if you put your fingers together and you cover that ear, you're going to create a pressure in your ear. And it's people don't like it, so I always spread my fingers. Don't allow this, do this, you know, kind of like headset sensation. And all I do, I start tuck that chin. You see, I'm also tuck that chin. And guess what? My big thumbs in the back, they start moving that fascia. We're still working on our posterior. Do operation faster because it's important. There we go. Yeah, that feels good. And this is what we do for that posterior kinetic line. So we show you guys on the floor, sitting position, neck work, and a little bit skull. Next time, we're going to talk about that douche hum positioning, that shifted head forward, how we can do that, and what exercise you can do. Thanks for watching. You guys enjoy your day. Don't forget to sign up to our channel to learn more stuff. And if you're already on our channel, please upgrade to supporters. We really appreciate that. Okay? Thank you very much.